How to fix app crashing on iPhone. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So the first step is that you want to go ahead and open settings application in your mobile device. Once you're inside settings, scroll below and then tap on general. Now tap on software updates. So you'll have to make sure that your software is updated on your iPhone, and if not, you can go ahead and tap on update. Once you check it out, head back to your home screen, and what you're gonna do is simply open up your app store, and in the search bar type in the app that's crashing in your iPhone, and once you search for the app, you're gonna have to go ahead and update that app. So let's say for an example, my Instagram app is crashing on my phone. So search for Instagram in the search bar, and then once you search for it, in the blue button if it says update instead of open, you simply want to go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. So once that is done, head back to your home screen, and if it still does not fix your issue, you want to go ahead and restart your device. To restart, simply tap on the power button and the volume up button at the same time, and then you will see a slide to power off button. Simply slide that and then you will be able to restart your device. Doing so will fix your issue. And that's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.